guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Designs by Stephanie. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the DBS family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today, I'm bringing a video to you on how to apply decal stickers that you can purchase on my Etsy shop. I have stickers made like these. You can buy them in any type of font or what have you. But I want to show you, once you get them home, how to apply them to whatever you purchased them for. So the reason I'm doing this is because some of the fonts that I sell have very, very thin lines. So they're hard to apply if you're not delicate with them on how to get them off and onto the transfer paper and then onto whatever you're applying them to. I'm going to show you how to apply those to cell phone. This is an old phone, so I use one of the decals I made, and I'll show you how to install it here. And I also have one here that I want to show you how to install it to an actual bottle. So, and there are two different types of surface. This one is plastic and this one is steel. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how to install the decals that I sell on my Etsy shop, then stick around and stay tuned. So first, you will receive these, and they're on a backing sheet. This is the Oracle 651, so it's permanent adhesive. You can get it off, but it takes some working to get it off. But this can be put on cars, or you can put it on the back of your phone. You can put it on your water bottles, anything you want. So when you order these from me, this is how they'll come. They'll either be on blue or white paper, depends on which one I use at the time. But this is how you'll receive them. So I'm going to show you how to install them. So what you would need when you get these, you will actually need some type of device to press them down. And then you can either use, if you have a squeegee type thing, you can use that. You can also use a credit card or a gift card or what have you. And what you do is you just run over the plastic so to make sure that the clear, this has a clear paper on top of it, as you can see, and then the paper backing, you want to make sure that you press down so that the vinyl decal can adhere to the plastic backing so that you can place it on whatever item you're going to place it on. So this is one with very thin, and I wanted to show one with very thin lines on it because those are hard to work with. So you want to make sure that they're pressed down really, really good on here. And I'm going to put this on an old cell phone so that you can see it, because this isn't my name. So what you do is, when you're peeling it up, you want to roll it and have your hands flat and watch as it pulls up. And you see that still stuck there, that end of the E. So you let it go back down and you scrape it down some more. And you may have to do this really hard, especially with the thin ones, because they are very hard to deal with and they're easy to tear. So you want to be gentle with the ones that have thin lines. So you pull it all up, and it all came up just like so. So it's off of your backing, and you see it here just on the clear transfer tape. So you take your transfer tape and you want to get your surface, whatever it is. You want to make sure it's clean and doesn't have any oils or anything on it, so it'll adhere to it very well. And I'm going to cover up this Samsung with this K. And I'm just going to put it on here, and make sure before you press it down that you have it how you want it. If it, make sure it's centered or whatever it is you're trying to do, because once it lays down, it is hard to get back up. As you can see, it's already stuck. So what you want to do is the same thing to get it on as you did to get it off of this sheet. You just press down really, really hard, not to break it or anything, just hard enough so that it'll stick, because this transfer sheet is not as sticky as the vinyl. The vinyl is a decent amount of stick to it. So, but you just want to make sure you get all the air bubbles and stuff out. So once you have that, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to grab one end of it and you're going to let it lay flat. Your fingers stay flat and just pull back. Pull back slow. And just keep grabbing more of it and more of it. And just keep peeling it back. And I like to keep my fingers flat then lifting up, because that keeps it from pulling the decal off. And that's it. We have that decal on there and it looks pretty good. I didn't get it all the way on the Samsung like I wanted to, but that's okay. But we got it on there, and that's how you install to a flat surface. And I have a bottle. This is my bubble bottle. Let me make sure it's shut. And I love this bottle. So this is a rounded surface, so I want to show you how to install on that. So I'm going to put my name on here, right over here in the middle. So you're going to do the same exact thing. You just want to make sure that you get any other air bubbles out. And you can actually hear it make noise if it's not all the way flat. It's kind of like a crackling type noise. But you do the same thing. You just grab the corner, and you can grab it from the left or the right, just the preference, your preference if you're left-handed or right-handed. I'm kind of even-handed, so I do stuff with both hands. But you just pull it back. And like I said, I like to keep my fingers flat. And this is the bigger font. So the bigger font, you don't have as much trouble as you have with the font that is narrow like this. So what you do is you do the same exact thing. Oops. Before you stick it down, you want to make sure it's in the location that you want it. And it's even. And then you... let it drop and apply it down. And then you take your little squeegee and do the exact same thing. You can see little bubbles there. Oh, not in focus. See little bubbles there? You just want to smooth those out. Okay. And then you just take the corner and do the exact same thing. Keep your fingers flat and just pull back. And I just walk it with my fingertips. And that's it. You have it there on your bottle. And it looks very good. So that is it. Okay guys, that is it for the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and share. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll be sure to respond. And yeah, I also will link my Etsy shop down there as well as up here in the little eye. You can click up there and to get a link to that to see how to purchase vinyl decals. And once again, thank you guys for stopping by my channel, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.